Hello again. Angela Merkel has been the architect of so much in the Eurozone in recent years, but her loss in regional elections at the weekend have given her a real political headache. With all things Germany, I always like to speak to Anita Paluch from Gecko Global Markets. What do you make of this weekend's election results? Angela Merkel's party won the majority of seats, but not enough to form a coalition.
That's right. We have actually anticipated this is going to be a very tight race. However, the results came out as a bitter wake-up call for Angela Merkel and her party. So what does it mean actually? The results show that actually there is still a lot up in the air for the upcoming elections later this year in September. What it actually means for Angela Merkel is that she would need to concentrate on her popularity, although she is a very popular politician back at home, and she has proven to be a strong leader through very difficult times, and she has gained trust of the voters. Those qualities might not be enough to win her a third term.
Isn't it all about choosing better coalition partners, because that's what really dragged her down from forming a coalition in Lower Saxony?
This factor is very important. However, what she also needs to concentrate on is the fact that she has enjoyed her trust, and the voters endorsed her for how she handled the economic crisis in the Eurozone. However, we have to consider that Germany has enjoyed quite significant economic well-being during that time, and now it looks like Germany isn't doing that well, especially if we look at the final quarter of the last year of the growth, which was a contraction, bringing down to 0.7% growth for the whole year. So, and this is thanks to her policy of tightening of the budget. So, which she probably would need to look at if she's trying to win the third term.
Yeah. So what about the numbers that have been out this week? The ZEW came in really well. What about the PMI numbers?
That's right. The ZEW came smashing. The numbers actually smashed all the expectations, which is very good. It shows that Germany can pull yet another economic miracle. And also the German PMI numbers that came out today show strong recovery of German economy. The question that remains, however, still open is Germany going to be able to pull the whole Eurozone out of the misery, out of a recession?
Yeah, what about the DAX? The FTSE's been shooting up this year, but the DAX not so spectacularly.
Well, DAX is somehow consolidating around the resistance levels of 7,700 points, and again, this is all about confidence. And as we have seen, this has improved significantly, and it will be interesting to see how the IFO index is coming out tomorrow.
And a quick word on the French PMI, came in particularly badly.
That's right. French PMIs came out pretty horrible if we consider it to the whole Eurozone. It still shows contraction in the second largest Eurozone economy, which also shows the problem that Eurozone is facing. There are diverging economies running into different directions. Germany's economy is pulling onto the right path, while the French one is actually pulling out. So that's another challenge that Eurozone will face this year.
Well, Anita Paluch from Gecko Global Markets speaks to me there. Stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for more interviews, but for now, goodbye.